Hello and welcome. This is a quick and easy video about insertion sort. So starting off, we need our INT, we need our temporary, and every time you already know whenever you're doing insertion sort, we start from the first index or the first number in the array, not the actual first one, which is 0. So we go here, start with this, we put 6 into our temporary, and now we're going to compare these two. So these two right here is 6 and 9. 9 is greater than 6, so these two are going to switch places. Now you put 6 here, you put 9 here. And so we're going to do the same thing, and that was the end of the first iteration. We're going to go to the second iteration, the second number in this array, which is 3. So 3 goes into our temporary, and now we're going to do the same thing, but for 3 and 9. So we have 3 and we have 9. So 3 and we have 9. 9 is greater than 3, so these two are going to switch. Now look at the great thing about this one. So 9 and 3. It's not done. It's not done. We still have to worry about these numbers. So it's 3. So now we have 3 and we have 6. So 3 and 6. 6 is greater than 3. So you swap it one more time. 3 and then 6. And then now we're going to our third number in our array. So we have a 7. So 7 is 7 and 9. So right here. So we have 7 and we have 9. 9 is greater than 7, so these two are going to swap. Now we're going to go do it again. So we have 9, we have 7. So it's 7 and 6. 7 is still greater than 6, so it's just fine like this. Now we go to the fourth number in our array, which is 1. So now we have 1 and 9. So let me go ahead and erase all this right here. So now we're working with our 1 and our temporary, as you can see. So 1 and 9. So everybody knows that 1 and 9, 9 is greater than that. 1 and 7. So let's go and erase this. These will switch. 1 and 9. Now 1 and 7. We all know this as well. 1 and 7. So 1 and 7. And 7 is greater than 1. 6 and 1. 1 is less than 6. 6, 1. 1 and 3. 3 is greater than 1. So then that is the end of that iteration. So now we're going to go take this, and now we're going to go to our fifth number in our array, which happens to be 8. So now we're going to do the same thing. So 8, 9. So we go right here. We have 9 right here. We have 8. 9 is greater than 8. So these two are going to swap. So 8 and then 9. And then same thing. 7. Yeah, 8 is greater than 7. So this right here is good. And now we're going to go into our sixth number in our array, which is right here, which is 4. So we're going to put our 4 right here. And 4 and 9. So 4, 9, 9 is greater than 4. So these two are going to switch. 4 is 9, and then we have, right here we have 4. And 8. 8 is greater than 4. So your 4 goes right here, your 8 goes here. And 4 and 7. 7 is also greater than 4, so these will switch. 4 and 7. 6 and 4. 6 is greater than 4, so these will switch. 4 and 6. So then now we're going to this number in our array, which is number 7 in our array, which is number 2. So 2 and 9, we know this. 9 is greater than 2, so these will switch. 8 and 2, 8 is greater than 2, so these will switch. 7 and 2, 7 is also greater than 2. 6 and 2, 6 is also greater than 2. 4 and 2, 4 is also greater than 2. 2 and 3, 3 is also greater than 2. And 2 and 1, 2 is greater than 1, so it would stay right here in this place. And now we're going to the last number in our array, which is the 5, and the 8, and the 8 array. So we have 5 in the temporary. We're going to erase all this. So 5 and 9, 9 is greater than 5, so 9 will be erased into the switch. So we have 5, 9, 5 and 8. We know that 8 is greater than 5. 8, 5, 7 and 5, 7 is greater than 5. So 5, 7, 6 and 5, we know that 6 is greater than 5. And 4 and 5, 5 is greater than 4. So if you look now, we have our sorted array using insertion sort. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I really hope you learned something today. Thank you for watching and tuning in with me, Space Tatum.